Okay, hello guys, this is my spindle and I get open this up and what kind of speedo, I like it. This is very fun. So look at it, the wheel. And I have one more speedo. It's red, not orange. But it kind of speedo. What kind of speedo with a cool motorcycle? Yeah, very good. The wheels can roll, and that's the wheels with my speedo. Speedo. Oh yeah. And let's open this. Oh yeah, I like it. Oh yeah, this is the same. This is same of this speedo. No, now the speedo is orange. The color is not same, but is same. The motorcycle is same, but the color not same. This is orange, this is red. I think this, yes, this is red. Oh yeah, thank you for watching and bye.